What is leverage in Forex? A practical test of Forex leverage. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll break down Forex leverage, one of the most powerful yet misunderstood tools in trading. Whether you're new to Forex or looking to deepen your understanding, this video will guide you through how leverage works, its advantages, risks, and a practical test to show its real impact on your trades. What is leverage in Forex? Leverage in Forex is a financial tool that allows traders to control a much larger position in the market with a smaller amount of their own capital. Essentially, it's like borrowing funds from your broker to increase your buying power. With a leverage ratio of 1 to 100, you can trade $100,000 with just $1,000 of your own money. The broker covers the rest, allowing you to maximize your potential returns or losses. Leverage is often expressed as a ratio, such as 110, 150, or even 1 to 500, depending on the broker and regulatory limits in your region. Increased market exposure. Leverage enables you to take larger positions, which can amplify your profits on small market movements. Capital efficiency. You don't need a large amount of capital to start trading. Even with a modest balance, you can access significant trading opportunities. Flexibility for small traders. Beginners can participate in the Forex market without needing thousands of dollars up front. While leverage can amplify your gains, it can also magnify your losses. This is why understanding risk management is critical. If the market moves against your position, you could lose your entire margin deposit. In extreme cases, you may even owe more than your initial investment, though many brokers offer negative balance protection. This makes it crucial to use leverage wisely and avoid overexposing yourself to unnecessary risk. A practical test. How does leverage work? Let's break down a simple example to show the real-world impact of leverage. You invest $1,000 in a currency pair. If the market moves 1% in your favor, you gain $10. Scenario with 1 to 100 leverage. With the same $1,000, you control $100,000. A 1% move now results in a $1,000 profit, a 100% return on your initial capital. However, the reverse is also true. If the market moves against you by just 1%, you lose your entire $1,000 deposit. In the video, we'll show you a live demo using a Forex platform to illustrate the difference between trading with and without leverage. This will help you see the practical implications of leverage on your trades. How to use leverage safely. To manage the risks associated with leverage, start small. Use lower leverage ratios, especially as a beginner. Ratios like 110 or 120 are safer to start with. Set stop-loss orders. This protects your account by automatically closing trades when losses reach a predefined level. Use proper position sizing. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total account balance on a single trade. Practice first. Use a demo account to experiment with different leverage settings before trading live. Choosing the right broker for leverage. Not all brokers are created equal when it comes to leverage options. When selecting a broker, consider regulation. Choose a broker regulated by reputable authorities to ensure transparency and protection. Flexible leverage options. Look for brokers that allow you to adjust leverage to suit your trading style. Risk management tools. Ensure the broker offers features like negative balance protection. If you're ready to start trading, we've partnered with one of the most reliable Forex brokers in the market. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to open your account today and take advantage of exclusive benefits like lower spreads and top-tier trading tools. Support our channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to checkmark like the video to support us. Checkmark share it with friends interested in Forex trading. Checkmark subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and trading insights. Have questions about leverage or Forex trading? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and let's trade smarter together. Glowing star.